in your love. You know always have to show. Oh, 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 baby. Treat me right, treat me right, treat me right.
When I make a new video, I'm trying to do something new and better than the last every single time. The problem is that can create a lot of pressure when really all I want to do is get out there in nature and inspire others to do the same. So I've decided if it's capturing the raw essence of a night in the wilderness, so what if it's the same? So what if it's different? Camping has evolved over the years, but it's never really changed. Because what will never get old is the smell of fresh pine, the sound of a crackling fire, and the sight of towering peaks in the distance. This is what camping is to me, and I can only hope these visuals transport you there and allow you to almost smell, hear, and feel the adventure for yourself. Or if nothing else, I hope they get you out there and experience it for yourself.